There's no I or me in Onpassive. There's only we. We work together as a team. We learn, we share, and we lift each other up every day. Teamwork is what makes a company successful. It brings everyone together in harmony. There's peace, love, and integrity in the way Onpassive is being constructed. How can anyone or anything destroy something that is built on such strong morals? Our CEO Ash Mufareh is a man with all these qualities and more in every core of his being, which is why he's loved by everyone who crosses paths with him. Why am I saying all this? Because it's all true. And every day we founders thank God for bringing him and Onpassive into our lives. This has been a journey of a lifetime, and there's so much more to come. And when that happens, the world will be stunned, just as we founders are stunned, in a happy way, whenever we hear something new from Ash. What a ride it has been so far during this wonderful journey. Thank you, Ash Mufareh.